The AI revolution is here. Buckle up. We're living in a crazy time, folks. Things are changing faster than ever. Remember when the internet first hit, or when smartphones became everyone's best friend? We're in another one of those moments, but this time, it's AI. And let me tell you, this isn't a fad. AI is like having a team of marketing ninjas working for you 24/7. This isn't some futuristic fantasy, it's happening right now. Businesses that embrace AI will have a massive advantage. That's where the social glue and constant contact swoops in like a superhero. AI isn't about replacing marketers, it's about making us stronger. It gives us superpowers. So, are you ready to unleash the power of Constant Contact's AI campaign builder in your marketing? Let's dive in. Let's talk about Constant Contact. You know them as the email marketing legends. Well, they've stepped up their game with their new AI campaign builder. This isn't just some fancy add-on, it's a game changer. We're talking next-level email, social media, and text marketing campaigns powered by AI. Constant Contact's campaign builder analyzes your audience, figures out what makes them tick, and crafts compelling content that gets clicks. And hold on, it gets better. It also provides you with recommended send dates so your emails hit inboxes at the perfect moment. Constant Contact's campaign builder isn't just about email. It brings the same AI magic to your social media and text marketing campaigns. It helps you create engaging content and even suggests the best hashtags to use. Talk about a time saver. And here's the kicker. Constant Contact Campaign Builder isn't just for the big guys with deep pockets. It's designed for businesses of all sizes. It's like having a whole marketing team at your fingertips without the hefty price tag. The future of marketing is here. Don't get left behind. AI isn't just a trend, it's the future of marketing. And the future is now. You can focus on the big picture, the strategic stuff, while the social glue and constant contact takes care of the day-to-day grind. But here's the thing. Constant Contact's campaign builder isn't a magic bullet by itself. It's a tool, and like any tool, you need to know how to use it effectively. That's where the social glue steps in. We understand the technology, the data, and the strategies behind Campaign Builder. Now the possibilities are limitless. The good news is that you don't have to be a tech genius when you team up with the social glue and constant contact. We make it easy for anyone to harness the power of AI. So what are you waiting for? The future of marketing is here. Now it's time to take action. Contact the social glue, and we will set you up with a free 30-day trial with Constant Contact. Plus, we'll create a customized branded email template with your logo, brand colors, and slogan or catchphrase. Plus, we'll upload your contacts and organize them. The world of marketing is evolving faster than ever, and those who embrace change will be the ones who come out on top. Give the social glue a call. Call 678-358-3680 or visit thesocialglue.com to learn more.